To sell shares through Computershare. Start by understanding what Computershare is. Computershare is a global leader in transfer agency and share registration services, helping companies manage their shares and facilitating transactions between buyers and sellers. First, ensure you have an account with Computershare. If you do not have one, you can create it online or by contacting their customer service. Once you have an account, gather all necessary documents and information, including your shareholder account number and the details of the shares you want to sell. Next, log into your Computershare account online. Navigate to the Sell Shares section, where you will be prompted to enter the number of shares you wish to sell and confirm the sale. You can also sell shares by phone or mail, but selling online is the fastest and most convenient method. Before selling, it is essential to understand the fees associated with the transaction. Computershare charges a fee for selling shares, which varies depending on the type of account you have and the method you use to sell. You should also consider any potential tax implications of selling your shares. To complete the sale, you will need to confirm the details of the transaction and agree to the terms and conditions. Once the sale is confirmed, the proceeds will be deposited into your bank account, usually within a few days. It is crucial to keep records of your transactions, including the sale confirmation and any tax documents. This will help you keep track of your investments and ensure you are meeting your tax obligations. In conclusion, selling shares through Computershare is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by phone, or by mail. By understanding the steps involved and being aware of the fees and tax implications, you can easily manage your share portfolio and make informed investment decisions.